Hi, I'm Tim Schutte, Product and Application Specialist for Epiroc. Today I'm going to show you how to identify new picks and used picks and when to replace them. This is off an ER250. This is a brand new pick. The carbide head is here, and then you have a mushroom head here, and then the shaft of the body and a place where the clip goes in. You do need the proper tools that come with the drum cutter to replace the clip, to get it out and put it on, to replace these clips. Next, I'm going to show you a couple of the used picks. These two picks right here, the carbide head has been destroyed. It kind of looks like a little explosion. What that usually identifies is that the operator was bouncing the drum cutter on some hard rock that caused this damage, or he was forcing it into some hard rock, maybe a little bit harder than that size drum cutter can be used in. But that's what it looks like when that damage is done. This is another pick off an ER250 where you can see the carbide head sticking out more, and the actual head of the shaft, the metal part, has been worn down. This just means that they were in some very abrasive material, and it keeps this carbide head. You can still use it, but you just got to watch it because it's going to take the metal part of the head of the pick away. These next two picks are almost perfect looking for when to replace it when they're fully used up with the carbide tip. You can see it's nicely rounded on both of them, and there's no more carbide pick to be seen. So it would be a good time to replace these. If you keep these on there, it's just not going to be aggressive when cutting material. This is what it would look like on the big picks as well that we use for the ER650 and up to the 5500. If they got rounded like this, it would be time to change them. Also identify that the pick holder on the drum cutter is not getting worn on the sides or anything. That means it would be not rotating properly in there, and you want to make sure you get the free debris out of the shaft so it can rotate. You do not want that pick box to be damaged. Over here, this is the ER pick. This is a 17 millimeter pick used on the ER650, and you can use it all the way up to the ER2000. This is another used pick where the operator was actually bouncing it. You can see that the pick head is pretty good shape, but he bounced it so hard he just exploded that tip. All our brand new picks come in this plastic box. On the biggest machine, there's about 6 into the box. On the ER650 to the 2000, including the VC1400 and the VC2000, there's 10 picks and clips to each box. When you get down to the smaller ones, drum cutters, there could be up to 40 picks in a box or 100 picks in the box for our smallest machines. This is the pick box that are on the drum cutter drums, okay? When I was saying you don't want to wear into the pick box, so you make sure you replace that pick when it starts showing wear here, or it won't rotate. You make sure it rotates. When you take the pick off, some of our bigger units have what is called a pick sleeve. That's what is right here. When this starts wearing out and the pick can actually move side to side pretty freely, you have damage, or you can fracture your shaft. It'll break right off before the head. That means you need to replace this pick sleeve. You power port it off and you power port it back in, and you got basically a brand new pick box that'll last for years. Epiroc picks are designed and manufactured by an Epiroc facility using high quality material that protects the pick box and makes the drum cutter very accurate in removing material for you on your job site. We have noticed going around to the field job sites that the pick sleeve and the pick box are getting heavy wear when customers are using alternate picks not designed by Epiroc or manufactured by Epiroc. When you get the comparison of a pick that says it'll fit our pick box and you have our pick in your hand, you can feel the weight difference, you can see the thickness and material, and our pick is always weighing a little bit heavier, you can actually tell it. It gives good wear with our picks. Using alternative picks, you're getting excessive wear in the pick sleeve that'll have to be replaced sooner than needed, and also wear on the pick box, which could cause higher labor costs and repairs. I'd like to thank you for watching this video. Please contact your Epiroc service center or local dealer for any additional information.